Events like this are what really helps our company just to continue to expand.
So our return on investment, it only takes one job to really cover the cost of anything that you're setting up to do here. You know, having the brand presence and just having general awareness of our company being here, I think is huge for us.
You get to consistently talk about our business, what we do to the people that want to hear about it, that, you know, our specific clientele come to these shows.
On days like Saturday, for an example, we could do easily 150 to 200 interviews with people because the show literally sets up business for the future.
We found that we got a lot more traction than what we had spent. There was a very large return on investment.
It's very, very good knowing that the show actually works.